Your fabric being out of square can also create wrinkles or bunching of the fabric as your awning retracts itself. It is actually very easily fixed with an impact or a drill gun, the appropriate size bit, and a ladder. To fix it, you would take your screw gun and remove this hex head screw, and sometimes it will be below the awning or above. So make sure that you check your camper for the right orientation of that screw, whether it's below the awning or above the awning. And there will be two of these screws, one at the drive head assembly and then one at the idler head assembly. These screws will always be located about 1 to 2 inches away from the end of the poly cord of your awnings fabric. Once you have both of those screws removed, you can extend and retract your awning a few times, and that will help your awnings fabric to slide within that awning rail and make itself become square with the rest of your assembly and correct the bunching and wrinkling of your fabric. Once you're done with correcting the fabric, you need to make sure that you replace those screws through the awning rail. One at each end. You can either create a new hole or use the same hole that was previously there.